We have to fight and struggle to be grateful to Allah. You have to think and take time out and ponder and reflect to be grateful to Allah. It just doesn't come because you said you're Muslim. How do I know? None of us appreciate being Muslim like someone who has found Islam. My mother came from Catholicism. She found Islam. Zayd Shakir, Hamza Yusuf, a lot of scholars that have passed us all up, they found Islam. And when they talk to you and they describe what it felt like, because most of them were on this long journey, you know, they didn't just wake up and say, let me open the Quran. Most of them were feeling wrong in their hearts and souls for years. I don't believe what I'm being taught. I know they're saying it's the word of God. I know my grandmother believes it. I know my great-grandmother believes it. I know I was raised this way, but it doesn't feel right in my heart. And they've been searching and they've been reading about Buddhism and this and that. And then one day they come across the Quran and their hearts light up and their souls feel like, wow, where has this been? How come nobody showed me this? And they taste Islam like you and I will never taste it. It doesn't just come with being Muslim. Sometimes you have to go through hardship or have nothing and then get something to appreciate. In the second part of the khutbah, inshallah, we're going to briefly talk about this. Why we should be thankful in the absence of having things and while we have things, inshallah. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين من كل ذنب فاستغفروا إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.